Ready to unlock the potential of Aerodrome Finance and become a liquidity provider? First, head over to the Aerodrome Finance website and connect your wallet. Make sure you're on the base network. You'll usually find the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Click it and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Now, let's navigate to the pools section. This is where you'll see all the available liquidity pools. Take your time to browse through the different token pairs. Consider factors like trading volume, APR, and your own familiarity with the tokens involved. Before diving in, it's super important to understand impermanent loss. Simply put, it happens when the price of the tokens you've provided as liquidity changes compared to when you deposited them. This could result in a loss when you withdraw, especially in volatile markets. Do your research and choose pairs you're comfortable holding long-term. Once you've picked your pool, click on it and select Add Liquidity. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount of each token you want to deposit. Ensure you have enough of both tokens in your wallet. The ratio is automatically calculated to match the existing pool ratio. After entering the amounts, review the details carefully, including estimated fees. Then, click Supply and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Remember, every transaction on the blockchain requires a small gas fee. Now, you can check your liquidity positions, and there you have it. You're now providing liquidity on Aerodrome Finance. Keep a close eye on your position, track your rewards, and adjust your strategy as needed. Good luck and happy earning.